Hey everyone, so this is my day one after my at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0, and I will share my skincare aftercare routine. So first, I wash my face using Banish Almond Cleanser, and then I use this toner, which is the Banish Pore Shrinker. This toner has rosemary water and watermelon fruit, and this is vegan and cruelty free. And if you have active pimples or breakouts, it will dry faster, and of course, your pores will be less visible. That's why this toner called the pore shrinker. Alright, and then next is the Banish serum. So this is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E. So this serum will make your skin hydrated, and it will also help to fade your dark marks, pimple marks, or hyperpigmentation. And it will also boost the collagen production on our skin. Alright, and then next is the Banish Fighter Gel. So this product will calm your breakouts and even if you have eczema. And this product will help you to fight skin inflammation and irritation, and it will also help to prevent acne. So this product is really perfect if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, but it is also suitable for all skin types. Alright, and then next is the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is a brightening daily moisturizer. And this cream has alpha arbutin, which is the natural form of hydroquinone for skin brightening. And it also has licorice extract, which is good for fading, dark spots, pimple marks, and hyperpigmentation. And of course, it has vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, which will make your skin brighter, boost your collagen production, and also it has UV protection. And of course, this product will moisturize your skin because it's a moisturizing cream. And then next, I will use the Banish Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. Yeah, so this product is perfect if you have dark circles or dark under eyes. And this cream will also help to reduce the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles and of course puffiness around your eyes. Alright, and then next I will also massage my whole face using this electric facial massager. So this step will help to improve your skin blood circulation for the skincare products to be absorbed nicely. And then lastly, sunscreen. So I am using the WC Natural Flawless Skin Sunscreen. So this is with SPF 50 PA++. So this product is a hybrid sunscreen because it's a combination of mineral and chemical sunscreen based on its ingredients. Plus, it also has a moisturizing effect on the skin and also skin lightening or brightening because it has niacinamide and vitamin E. So I just used this sunscreen for a couple of days now, and for me, based on my experience, this sunscreen is really good even if you have sensitive or acne prone skin like mine, because I didn't had any breakouts or even skin irritation while using the product. And if you want to try this sunscreen, it is available in my showcase. And for the Banish products, the link is available on my profile. And if you want to purchase, you may use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!